Meaning of electoral roll.
Electoral roll.
Electoral roll.
Electoral roll.
Electoral roll. The electoral roll is a list of eligible voters in a particular jurisdiction, such as a country or a state. It includes the names of people who have registered to vote and are qualified to cast their ballots during an election. The list is updated regularly to reflect changes in the population, such as new voters coming of age and people moving in or out of the jurisdiction. The result of compiling an accurate electoral roll is that it ensures fair and democratic elections by allowing only eligible voters to participate in the democratic process.